Hello and welcome to our video. I'm Connor Hamilton with MGH Equipment. Our website's AntonioCarreroUS.com. In the garage today, I've got a TGF7800S. It is the world's best specialty orchard and vineyard tractor, and it is ideal for plantings down to as narrow as 7 feet on center. I'm going to talk to you about the weight of the tractor today. As it sits, it weighs 6,900 pounds. That includes a Kerb weight with a full tank of fuel and an operator in the seat of 5,500 pounds. That Kerb weight includes this solid chunk of cast iron on the nose of the tractor and the stout bull bar. So we're using weight down low out front, also protecting the hood. The factory weight package that we bring in standard includes 2 hood weights on each side, 4 total, adds 194 pounds. You've got cast wheel weights on both sides, adds 154 additional pounds. You've got cast wheel centers on the rear axle, and that adds 286 additional pounds. We recommend that you use any modern non-corrosive wheel ballast, and at the correct fill, that adds around 500 pounds when you fill both rear tires, and that adds about 300 pounds when you fill both front tires. So with your 5,500 pound Kerb weight, plus the standard ballast package and wheel fill, you're at 6,900 pounds ready to go to work in your operation. For a more detailed explanation of how you can put that weight to work for you and get the best stability, traction, and safety in the industry, please check out our video on Antonio Carrero's Actio chassis. Thanks for watching today. Have a good one.